Right then, I hope you're all doing well. Really excited about covering this week in celebration of the Platinum Jubilee here in the UK to celebrate 70 years of the monarchy with our Queen. But what better to cover than an absolutely amazing dessert? Now it's about time that I do some baking. I don't really do many desserts, I'm much more of a savoury man, but to celebrate the Platinum Jubilee, I want to cover a oil-free, whole food plant-based brownies. Now I have spent absolute ages trying to discover the perfect recipe, and there is a whole world of different innovation with brownies, even within the vegan world. But I want to make this oil-free, natural ingredients, and I've actually been inspired by quite a lot of recipes. And obviously this is going to be minimal on extrinsic sugars, refined sugars, also salt. We're also going to use some innovative ingredients to try and bring those flavours back in and get those flavour bombs. So the recipes I've actually been initially inspired by is the fudgy no-bake brownies by the How Not to Die cookbook by Dr. Gregor. But I've also been inspired by the Forks Over Knives recipe. You can get this recipe on their website, totally free. But it's actually a recipe that I'm adapting initially from a really good website, which is the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show. They've also got a YouTube channel, so check out their channel. Absolutely inspiring. They've been going for quite a while now. I'm actually using their recipe but adapting it from a recipe that I found from Guardian, salted miso brownies by Mira Soda. She's been covering lots of vegan recipes for a few years now. Now what I really like about this is the naturalness but also the inclusion of miso, which will bring that saltiness back in without adding sea salt. I've got all the ingredients here, and so I'll put these down here. So the ingredients you need for this absolute baseline is obviously chocolate. So we're using some of the best chocolates in the world, which is from Barry Callebaut's round dark chocolate, absolutely amazing. I'm also going to use some of the organic dark chocolate powder, pitted dates, date molasses, mixed organic nut butter, which is a combination of almonds, cashew nuts, hazelnuts and peanuts, organic white miso, chickpea flour, black chickpeas, organic, and also some black beans. Now what this is going to do, it's going to combine and give you different texture and flavour and a real good mouthfeel. And I've actually tried this before, it's absolutely superb. My wife and her family absolutely love brownies, so I'm really looking forward to getting their feedback. Then for decorative purposes, you could either use some walnuts or some pistachio nuts, but I'm going to use some organic cocoa nibs, which I'm going to decorate on top. It will give that nice little crunch, which complements it really well. It's a superfood dish, absolutely brilliant. So I'm going to use my Bosch blender, and then you also need some trays, which I'm going to put some greaseproof paper in. So let's get going.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go, take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, meant to be.
Right, so the brownies are done, and here we have it. And all we're to do now is just let that sit because it's still cooking. There's a quick little test. You can use a toothpick just to see, and that's perfect. So I've just let that cool for at least a good hour. It's still warm. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove this from the tray. There's quite a few different tactics you can do here. You can either sandwich it between two surfaces like so, turn over, and just slowly peel that away. Then apply that back like so. Wow, what a way to celebrate the Platinum Jubilee. Some awesome vegan brownies. Check that out. And of course it's time for a tasting session. That's absolutely superb. So I hope you all have an absolutely wonderful bank holiday. The 3rd of June, this Friday, is obviously the day there's going to be lots of celebrations all across the UK, lots of food festivals and a celebration of culture, togetherness, and of course, you know, something to be really proud of, that the Queen has been our longest standing Queen after Queen Victoria. You know, 70 years monarchy, absolutely tremendous. So great respect to her and her late husband, who obviously passed away last year. What a remarkable person he was. So I hope you all enjoy your bank holiday weekend. It's a really nice long one, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Really hope you enjoyed the show. Please do subscribe, lots of love and passion going into this. Also check out my other recipes for vegan and whole food plant-based. Enjoy.